Hey friends, we are here to do a side hustle stuffing. I'm super excited and we are gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show you the money. And yeah, we're gonna put it to a couple of places. So this was from my latest Etsy payout. So this was received on November 3rd. This was the payout for all of October. It was $339. Thank you so much for supporting my shop. I just so appreciate each and every one of you. Yeah, I mean, without you guys, obviously, yeah, I wouldn't have an Etsy shop at all. So thank you so much. Yeah, I love you guys. I tried to stretch it. We're going to do a couple of things with it, as you can see, and don't mind this. I had a fight with the, the whiteout. So yeah. But let's get right into it. It should not be a long video at all. I do have the money already broken out here. It is all prop money because almost all of it is going to go into savings. I may, come back and switch out just a few dollars of this for real money. Like I will have to go to the bank if I want to do that. But for now, it's just all prop money. Okay, so we're gonna start with the worst one, which is taxes. Let me move my water out of the way because that's actually blocking my binders. So let me grab the binder here. Okay, and we are gonna be putting $200 to taxes, which is nice. That's a nice bump up because I told you guys I need 840 by January 15th or 16th, and so it's getting down to it. So let's see, we're adding 200. I don't know why I didn't fill in this part last time, but doesn't really matter. Let's see, what's today's date? November 7th. I don't know when this video is going to air, but whenever you're watching it, I hope you're having a wonderful day, a wonderful week. I can't believe it's November 7th, 2025. It's going to be Thanksgiving here very soon. And so that puts us up to $615. Which is good. I am going to go Black Friday shopping, although I don't know that I necessarily need much. Hopefully I can get my kids mostly done on Black Friday. We will see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 600, 10, 15. So $615. So I will hopefully get another payout in December for Etsy. I don't know. As of right now, there's nothing. There's zero. Because I haven't gotten any orders yet in November. So hopefully I'll get a payout in December. And then if I get any orders in December, I will get a payout in January. So that will hopefully be 2 more payouts in for Etsy. And then hopefully I'll get 2 more YouTube checks to cover the remaining $230 that I need for taxes. But I still need another like $300 as well over that for tax prep. So we still need quite a lot. But the tax prep, you know, technically I have till April to save that up. So yeah. We're just doing what we can around here, right? That's just what everybody does in life. Okay, so the taxes is done. Next, let's move on to this binder. This is kind of like a mishmash, just like my last like bonus cash stuffing was. Let's put $20 to sewer because I just was honestly afraid that I wasn't gonna get all the money for this, so we're gonna put 20 bucks in here. Should I even bother filling in the tracker? I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just gonna throw the 20 in and fill this in next time, and then, you know, if I don't finish this, like if I fully fund the 80 that I need before I finish the tracker, that's fine. I'll just continue doing the tracker It doesn't really matter either way. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 59. That makes me feel a lot better. 59, 69, 79, 80. So that's 21 that we need. 21. Because honestly, you guys, like I told you, hold on, I can't multitask, so let me write that down first. So we need 21 by December something. Again, I have not gotten the bill yet, so I don't know. But judging by these, it was the 30th of every month, so I'm guessing December 30th is what it should be. Yeah. So $21 by the end of the year. But like I told you guys, I only usually have, so I stuff this in my savings challenge stuffings, and I only usually have like $20 or $30 total between all of my challenges to go around. And when you only have that much and you need to put so much into one challenge, it just doesn't make it fun. So when I have extra money like these little bonus stuffings, that's why I'm trying to bump this one up, okay? And I need to just keep in mind that I need to put more money in here than I have been in the past, because every time I would stuff this in the past, I would literally put like $2, $5, and that was it. And that's just not enough to get to the $80 I need, you know, every quarter. Plus, there's an additional bill that comes in October from the... So let's see, we have the 4 quarterly bills from the county maybe, and then 1 we also get from the borough, I think. Or maybe the 4 are from the borough and 1 from the county, I don't know. But either way, there's an additional bill thrown in there, and that's an additional 40. And I could probably like pull $40 out of a buffer. That's what I did this year because I was surprised by that additional bill. But still, if I know about it in advance, which now I do, I'd rather save up for it, you know? So, yeah, I just need to be stuffing this a little bit more aggressively is what I've been trying to say this whole time. Okay, so that's sewer. The next thing is bingo. I want to put just $10 in here. Again, just because I know we're going, so why not save up for it? And this is one, like I might want to pull the cash out of the ATM for it, because I obviously need real cash. Or I could just come through my envelopes and just switch out the prop money. I haven't really decided yet what I want to do. We'll see. So now in bingo we have the 25 is for the ticket, and then for spending 20, 30, 45. So 45. So that's probably good. I mean, I would like more. It's really easy to spend a lot because if you've never been to like a purse bingo, I don't know if that's a thing where you are. But where we are, we like when they have them, they do, well, first of all, they have like snacks you can buy and stuff like that. But they have specials you can buy. So in addition to your ticket gets you like your regular games, however many there are, 15 or 20 or whatever. But then there's like usually 4 special games, and the prizes for those are bigger, and those are usually $5 each. So that's an additional $20 right there if you want to play all the specials. Then they have basket raffles that cost money if you want to buy snacks. Like, so it's easy to spend a lot of money there. It racks up really, really fast. Okay. Let's see. The last thing we're going to do is vacation. I am putting $40 towards paying for my printer. I told you guys in my last video, the saga of the printers has just been insane. I finally decided on one that I'm going to keep. I don't love it. I'm not happy about it, but I bought 5 printers trying to find one that I like and that's acceptable, that's going to do what I want for my Etsy shop. And I don't know, you guys, I just am not happy, not too happy. But I'm not going to buy a 6th printer. Like, I've just been literally returning printers left and right and buying new printers. It's just been crazy around here. So, the last printer that I told you guys about, that was the printer I bought and I kept for a while. Like, I probably kept that for 3 weeks, but then it started acting up, and so I returned that one. I actually had that paid off, but then again, I decided to return it. So now I have a new printer to pay off. I did get a refund for that, so I feel like, because this new printer that I have here is a little bit more expensive than that one I had paid off. And I did use the same card, but no, I didn't use the same card. But I was going to say, I don't know, like, the difference in what I owe. I don't know, you guys. Anyway, I'm putting $40 towards the printer. Okay. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. So there we go. So 40 of this is going towards the printer. I just obviously have to make that direct payment. And then the last money that we have left should be $69, and that's going to go towards vacation. Wow, am I doing a terrible job with words today? Whew. Okay. So for vacation, let's make sure this is 69, 50, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. Okay. So for vacation, we are playing a new challenge, and I do have an IOU right off the bat. Nice. So this is actually one of my OGs, Mega Multipliers, and it has a line through it because this is like literally my original sample from way back. I told you guys, if you saw my last video where I started this literally is one of the very first challenges I ever released in my Etsy shop. One of the very first. And it just has a line through it because it was like my sample. And I mean, it was perfectly sellable before I punched it, so I don't know why I put the line through it. But anyway. Okay, so we have a $6 IOU. So we have $69. Let me get the calculator. And 69 minus 6. So we have 63 left to work with. So here's how this works. Before you play, you choose an amount and you write it down here. My amount is 3. Every one of these scratch-offs has a multiplier. The multipliers are between 1 and 10. So I suggest you think carefully about your amount because the highest multiplier is 10. So if your amount is 10, under one of these, you're going to save $100. Because 10 times 10 is $100, okay? So you got to be careful. Okay, I chose 3, so the highest amount that I should be saving under any one of these is $30, okay? Because 3 times 10 is 30. So we have $63 left. Let's just scratch and see how far we can get. Okay, so we got times 6. So 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, let's go again. And I'll probably have an IOU again, that's fine. Times 2, so 3 times 2 is 6. And I may finish this pretty quick, I may not. Well, it seems like I'm finishing it quick just because I'm putting 2 big chunks in here, kind of like back to back. But that's okay. The next challenge I'm planning on doing for this is probably going to take quite a while. Ooh, another 1. We like that. Okay, so 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 3. Where's the 10? It's down here. Let's see. That's a 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 9. Okay, so we have $27 left. Let's go here. That's the 10, you guys. Okay. So I'm busted again. Of course. Okay, so 3 times 10 is 30. Why couldn't I have hit that one before that? I would have had enough. So that means we have a $3 IOU. Okay, so let me go ahead and clean this up really quick. Okay, so I cleaned that up. Let me grab my little eraser here and erase this. What's our IOU? $3. Not too bad. I'll take it. Okay, let me grab a marker. This is my little sparkly IOU slip. This peppermint prop money is available in my shop as a digital download. This is obviously not like money. This is an IOU slip, but that comes in the download along with a fully funded slip as well. There's denominations from $1 all the way up to, I don't know, $5,000 or $10,000. I'm not positive which one, but the listing should say. But I laminated it, and then I put this like sparkly, like holographic lamination over the top because it's Christmas time, baby, and why not? Look at how festive and pretty and fun that is. I love it. Okay, so we only have 3 more, you guys. Yes, love, love, love that too. Okay. So let me pin this back on here because I told you guys last time if I put this in the envelope, which is what I would normally do, I might not see it there when I pull out the challenge to do it, and then I'll forget about my IOU. Okay, so let's put the money in and see where we're at. Now this is saving for our vacation in April. My husband and I are going on a cruise by ourselves. Very excited about that. And yeah, so this is saving for spending money and everything else. I'm hoping on Black Friday they're gonna have some sales on their bar tab. It's Virgin Voyages. We've never been on Virgin. It's adults only. They do their like drink package a little bit different. You don't buy like a traditional drink package. They call it bar tab. And so what you do is you just pay like however much you want to, basically like in increments of 100, I think. And then they give you a little bit free. So for example, if I wanted to do 200, I'll pay $200, and then they might give you like $25 free. So I'll pay 200, but I'll have $225 to spend on drinks. But I'm hoping that on Black Friday, maybe they'll have like a special where they give you a little bit more. I have no clue if they will or not. But I'm kind of hoping for that. So I'm holding out to buy that until Black Friday. If they don't have a special on Black Friday, then I'll wait even longer because there's no need to buy it now. You know, I don't need to purchase that until like before we go because I don't have the money to pay that off on my credit card right now. So, yeah. Okay, so we have 51, 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 129, that's a nice start. I'm not mad at that. And I bumped you, sorry about that. And yeah, so again, that's the start to our vacation. I have to pay for boarding the dog, gas to drive to the port, parking at the port, spending money. I mean, just, all the things that come with vacation, any excursions we do, the bar tab I just talked about. Now, I told you guys my husband does get that bonus payout from his work. That's going to cover, of course, the cruise. But I think, and I hope, that there's going to be some left over after we pay for the cruise. And if there is, then, that can pay for some of those things that I just mentioned. So that would be like best case scenario. But I have to save as much as I can. Because, of course, even if there is some left over, it's not going to cover everything, right? So, that's it, my friends. Thank you so, so much for watching to the end. I am so grateful that you're here. I'm so, so grateful for all of your support, for each and every one of you every day. Thank you so, so much. Yeah, I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Okay, that's it. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.